welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be doing 2 luxury unboxings in one video because the first item is one piece of jewelry and I feel like it doesn't really need a dedicated video unless I have like a whole set or something. I don't know, I feel like it'll just be better. And for the second item, I have a bag or pouch, and if you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. You have to be following me, then DM me if you guys have any questions or concerns. And for the jewelry piece, I am going to be unboxing a Van Cleef bracelet. Okay, look, all the girlies have it, and every time I see them wear one, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And for the other item, I got one of my favorite brands, which is Louis Vuitton, and it's a multi-pochette bag, or is it a bag or just called a multi-pochette? Either way, I got a Louis Vuitton item and a Van Cleef. So we're just gonna jump into the Van Cleef bracelet. I had redid the bow because you guys probably seen me worn the bracelet already in a couple of videos. I was too excited. Okay, I just really wanted to wear it, but I redid the packaging for you guys, and I feel like I did pretty decent on the bow, I guess. This is the bracelet, and y'all, you guys know I had to get me some gold. I love me some gold. I was this close, like this close of getting like the black one and the gold one, but then I thought about different outfits and I was like this close of getting the pearl looking one. So I'm like, decisions. Like I said, I have been wearing it, so I already kind of know my thoughts on it and like my whole opinions on it. I have a really tiny wrist, and unfortunately I will have to get this not tailored, but you know, adjusted, and I really don't want to do that, so I'm just going to wear it a different way. But I will show you guys how it looks normally without me having to do it a different way. This is how it looks on, and actually I'm planning to stack these together but on this wrist. But I recently just got an Apple Watch and I really want to wear it a lot, so right now all of my bracelets are on this hand. But I absolutely love how it looks. This is how I actually wear it since my wrist is so tiny. I just put the clasp behind this last one right here, and it just makes it way tighter, but I don't care if it hangs like this anyway because I just have it in front of me like this, so it doesn't look like nothing's hanging, you know. So for the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette, so excited for this one. I remember there's like 2 different colors. There's a pink strap one and an olive green one. There's a different name for the olive green one, and I was really feeling the pink one because, you know, I love me some pink, but I feel like the olive one would be cute too. Maybe I'll get that one as well. I don't even know yet. This is how it looks, and I love this color pink on it. It's not just like an average pink, it's like kind of like on the baby pink side, and it also has Louis Vuitton and gold writing. I don't know if you guys can see that. With the 𝐿 multi-pochette, it comes with this coin pouch, and it comes with a mini pochette but a different design, and it comes with a like medium size pochette. Let me actually undo this for you guys so you know exactly what you would be getting if you was to purchase this. So I'm gonna just start off with this one, and this one definitely looks very similar to the mini pochette that I did a review on and unboxing not too long ago, which I'll leave up here on the screen just in case if you guys are interested. But the difference between the one I showed you guys and this one, it has this tag on it, and it actually has these on the side, so it's optional if you want to have a different strap on it or you just don't want to wear a strap on it at all. It just looks the same inside. And this one is a little bigger than the mini pochette as well, and it just says 𝐿 on the clips. And I just love the monogram print with this one. This is how the gold hardware looks. And this is how the gold hardware looks. It looks very shiny and really good quality and pretty sturdy. So now for the pouch that goes behind it, there's differences with this one as well between this one. This one has the little clasp on it and this one does not have the clasp and is definitely bigger. Both of them have the tag on the front of them and both of them have the zipper. On the inside with this one, it has a pocket inside so you can actually be more organized, and it has the little tag that says Louis Vuitton. And it's just way more space inside this one. And what I love about the multi-pochette is that there's so many different compartments and you can be more organized with the multi-pochette. Lastly, we have the small coin pouch. This is probably my second favorite out of all the little pouches because I don't have a Louis Vuitton coin pouch, and I thought this was so cute to attach onto the pink strap. And this is how it looks on the inside. Is definitely a different color than the pochettes that I showed you guys. This also has the clasp on it with the LV logo. Now lastly, for the strap, this is what it looks like. I love how thick it is. It's not like a cheap material feeling to where, oh yeah, if I wear this a few times, eventually it's just gonna rip, break, do something. But no, this is actually really good quality. It's like really thick. And the buckles are really good too, and it also has the clasp right here and on the other side. And you can definitely adjust this so it's not like one size fits all. It's actually adjustable. Let me zip these back up, and I'm going to be attaching these again. And when you attach the other one, make sure this part is in the front. And this is how it looks so far without the coin pouch on it, and this is how it looks with the coin pouch attached. I'm gonna actually try this on for you guys and let you guys know what can fit inside and just show you guys examples of how you can organize this. For the pouch right here, you can do whatever, honestly. You don't even have to add money or change. You can add a hair tie, bobby pins. You can be very creative with this one. So I added some lip gloss, and this is just the lifter gloss. I added a Tide to Go stick. I added some hand sanitizer, and this is in the scent lavender and vanilla. And I'm gonna show you guys how it looks so far inside. I couldn't think of anything else to put inside at the moment. You can definitely add more items in here, but these are just some of my few examples. And with just 3 items, the pouch looks like this. It doesn't look too poofy, so I feel like if you add maybe 3 more items or 3 items that are the same size, it can still look the same as this. Then for the last pouch, this is how it looks inside. I just have my iPhone 11, fits right into the pocket with this one. I have my Louis Vuitton Zoe wallet. It fits perfectly on the side. Then lastly, I have my keys, and I was also thinking of adding lotion, but the smaller lotions that I have, they're somewhere in my stuff and I didn't really feel like grabbing it, honestly. But this is how it looks on the inside with nothing in it again. There was still enough space inside, so you can definitely add maybe 2 more items or maybe 3 or 4. It depends if you care if the bag looks very poofy or not, but if you like how it has its natural shape but more on the thicker side, then I suggest you guys adding maybe a few more items. I know I just told you guys that I don't really like crossbody bags like that, but this one right here is acceptable for me. If you guys have any questions or concerns, you have to be following me on Instagram and DM me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, share, and I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.